Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to share Google Drive link on from mobile. Okay, so you can share your file or folder link, Google Drive link, and you can share on WhatsApp Messenger. You can share on email also. I showing my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So let's go on Google Drive. I'm opening Google Drive. Yeah. So first we are going to show you how you can upload the files. So you have to go click on this plus icon and you can upload folder, you can upload files, or you can create new files from here. So you can create folders. Okay, for upload you have to click on it. So now your mobile file will be open. Just click here. So okay, so here you can see I have images folder, I have rar file, I have excel file. So here I'm going to upload one image, so I just click on it. Now it will be upload. Okay, so it is uploading. You can see in notification. Yeah, there is. So update has been complete, so just refresh. So you can see the file will become here. So how you can share it, you have to click on this three dot or open it. After open, you can click on this three dot and you can share by email id. If you have email id of person, you can click on it and you have to enter the email id. So I just enter in email id. So I use this email id. Okay, you have to give permission. Okay, so permission is very important if you're sending any files, documents. So if you want to person only view, you can only click on view. If you want to be editor, those person, you can make it editor, so person can edit your document. Okay, so I just make it viewer, so person can only view my document. Okay, permission has been done. So sorry, I should delete by mistake. So you are okay, you can add message also. Now you can click on this, then this file will be sent on this email id. You can add other email id if you want. Okay, so now we are going to show you, I'm going to show you how you can share by link. So click again on this three dot and go to the get, just come down, open with print. Okay, so for link you have to click again on three dot and go to the manage people and links. Here you can share with email id also. Here you can see I already add the email id here. This is me, my owner, and this is viewer. So you can add email id from here also. Now here is another setting you can see, which is link. Okay, you can copy link on tap on this chain icon. Okay, just click, it will be copy and you can paste on WhatsApp on your email id or messenger. So here also you can change permission, so just click on it. So now this is permission is restricted, so only people added can open the link. So you have to add people here and you can share the link to those people. Other person with email id will not can't open this file. So you can change permission from here. Just click on it and just click on this arrow and navigate on anyone with this link. So with this permission, anyone with this link, just come back and just copy the link. You can see this has been changed, permission has been changed. So now if you copy this link and share, so you can share on WhatsApp message anywhere, and anyone with this link can open the your file. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.